I'm Anthony De Silva from Ambeli. This regarding nowadays, I see a lot of people are very busy in removing the names and changing the names, trying to change the history. And why are we doing all this? What's in a name? Why are all hell bent on destroying this beautiful state of Goa? We have been living peacefully for the last 60 years after the liberation of Goa from the Portuguese. And look at that small countries which has risen from rags to riches like Singapore, man. Singapore has 43% Buddhists, 18% Christians, 14% Muslims and 5% Hindus here. In a nation, Singapore like a nation where the Buddhist population has come down from 42 to 33% in the last decade, they are not in khatra. Neither the Hindus are in khatra in Singapore. 5% Hindus are not in khatra. They are, ये लोग खतरे में नहीं है. And in India, 80% almost Hindus are in khatra. More than 60% Hindus in Goa are in khatra. Look at that China, man. China has only less than 1% Hindus. They are not in khatra. And here majority is Hindus. And everybody is making noise, simply we are in khatra. And khatra from whom? The 2% Christians and the 14% Muslims. It's very disgusting that you all are out to destroy this Mankule Goy. Please, yaar, stop all that. Names, changing of boards from Vasco to Sambhajinagar and what nonsense, I don't know. And look at that Indonesia. Indonesia being a country of majority Muslims, their currency note depicts Ganpati Bappa Moria picture. Ganesha's picture is there on the Singapore currency till today. In spite of being a majoritarian Muslim country, Indonesia, they are not even thinking of it. They respect Ganesha there on their currency note. They are changing the currency. The money is in Ganpati Bappa. And we are bothered about the names of the stations and places. When an Indonesian Muslim was asked, I heard, he was asked that you people being majority in the Indonesian country as Muslims, how come you all are having Ganpati on your currency note? You know what that man said? That person replied saying that we might have changed our faith, but we don't change our ancestors. They might be majority Muslims, but we don't change our history. And we in Goa, we are hell-bent on bringing all toxic waste from almost other northern states. Some of them, like changing the names of stations and bus stops and places and getting the old histories out, trying to change the history. Learn from Singapore. Learn from Indonesia. India is second largest country only with manpower. What about the brain power for the development of this nation and the development of my Mankule Goy? Goa was a beautiful state. It is a beautiful state. Please don't destroy with unnecessary instigations and don't waste your energy on this thing which will nowhere improve the lives of the Goans, whether it is Hindus, Muslims or Christians. It's going to make our lives more miserable. Please let us learn from this. Thank you very much. May God bless all of you.